Now I am going to demonstrate the procedure how to do this first problem of the study guide for the test on March 31st. Here they have given RST points and you have to prove that it is a right triangle, and also you have to find the coordinates of the point P if you complete RSTP as a rectangle. For that, first, to show this as a right triangle, I use the Pythagorean theorem. First I calculate RS, the distance between R and S. What is the distance formula? Root of x1 take away x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So I am applying that formula to find the distance between R and S. So 1 take away 4 whole square plus again 1 minus 4 whole square. That is 1 minus 4 is negative 3 whole square, again negative 3 square. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9, and again this is also positive 9, which gives me root of 18. Next, ST. How do you find ST? In the same way, 4 minus 6 whole square and 4 minus 2 whole square. That gives us negative 2 square, which is 4. Positive 2 square is 4. So which gives us root of 8. And then I had to calculate TR. That is 6 minus 1 whole square and 2 minus 1 whole square. That gives me 5 square, which is 25, and 1 square, which is 1. So square root of 26. See, this is bigger than these two. That's why I'm calling this as a C, whereas this as B and A. According to Pythagorean theorem, A square plus B square must be equal to C square. So I am calculating A square plus B square first, which is root 18 square plus root 8 square. On squaring, the square root will go, we'll get 18 plus 8 will get 26. In the same way, when I calculate C square, I get root 26 square, that gives me 26. If you check this 26 and this 26 is equal. That means A square plus B square is C square. Thereby, we can conclude that triangle RST is a RT, means right triangle. TRIANGLE. So wait, in this way we have to prove this. The problem is not completed. So in order to calculate the coordinates of the point P, first let us locate this graph paper. That will be easy. 1 1, this is R, and 4 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. This is S, and then T 6 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 2. See, I got a triangle. If I join these points like this and like this, I get a right triangle like this. You see, this is the triangle I'm getting here. Now if I take a point P here somewhere here, then if I join, this is not correct one, is only a rough diagram, just to give an idea. So here is P. How to find the coordinates of this P? This is RST, but we have to find the coordinates of P. For this, first you calculate the midpoint of RT. When you join this PS, this midpoint is also the midpoint of SP. See, for R and T, the midpoint is, for example, if it is M is for RT. So R and T. So x1 plus x2, that is 1 plus 6 over 2. y1 plus y2, that is 1 plus 2 over 2. That means I get 7 over 2, which is 3.5, and 3 over 2 is 1.5. So the same midpoint must be the midpoint of this SP. And we know the coordinates of S. We don't know the coordinates of P. So I am taking the coordinates of P as H, K. Now if I calculate SP, since I don't have space, I can do here for the midpoint thing. So the midpoint of S and P is 4 plus H over 2, and again 4 plus K over 2. This is the formula for the midpoint. But this given midpoint is, here we got 3.5 1.5. That means this 4 plus H over 2 is 3.5. And I have to calculate H. So I am multiplying with 2 here. I am multiplying with 2. 2 gets cancelled. 4 plus h is 2 times 3.5 is 7. Thereby h is 3. And in the same way, if you calculate this 4 plus k over 2 is 1.5. Multiply with the 2 both sides like this. Then this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 4 plus k is 3. Then k is equal to -1. That means the coordinates of P are h comma k. H is 3 and k is -1. So in this way you have to find the coordinates, and this prove that this quadrilateral RSTP is a rectangle. See, I have calculated already this one. If you want to prove this as a rectangle, you have to find the distance of RP and TP also. If you calculate the distances, then you will get the same as this RS and ST. For example, I am calculating RP. So what is RP? RP is the distance from R to this P. So 1 minus 3 whole square. Again 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 whole square. That means this is 4 plus 4, which is root 8. And if you check, this RP is a root 8 and this ST we got already root 8. That means these opposite sides are equal. In the same way, I had to calculate PT. How do I calculate PT? This P and the T coordinates are 6, 2. So 3 minus 6 whole square plus -1 minus 2 whole square. On simplification, I get this 3 square is 9 and this is 9. Root 9 plus 9 is root 18. If you see, this PT is root 18 I got, and I got already RS as root 18. That means opposite sides are equal. Therefore, we can conclude already this angle is 90 here since it is a right triangle. Therefore, we can say RSTP is a rectangle. In this way, you have to prove this. This is a reasons question. Please do the second problem exactly the same as first problem. You copy completely the first problem and then try second one in the same way. If you need more space, do on a separate paper. Thank you.